When you grow tall plants like my Nepenthes, some of the light, the grow light that you attach above the plants won't really light the plants. The plants are taller than the light bulb and you have to find ways around. But I think I found the perfect light for that. So that's exactly what we will talk today. And for those of you who want to buy a good grow light for your plants, make sure you stick until the end because I will give you a discount code that will work on the Sansi Grow Light website. Hi, my name is Remy and on this channel I explain you everything I know about how to grow Nepenthes, these tropical carnivorous plants, on your windowsill. Okay, first, a Merry Christmas to everyone. I got a new light and I will show you what I got and the setup and etc. And I will explain you exactly why I need to change these plants to this side. So here is my windowsill. During the day there is no light, obviously. The sun is lighting everything. Then when the sun is out, there is the light around 4. And then it's going night and totally pitch black night. And then the light shut down. And on the morning, the light will turn back on. Then the sun will come. And when there is enough sun, the light shut down. So really a classic way of lighting your plant. Let's speed up a little bit just to see how the bulbs light the plants. We see that the bulbs do not light only below, but slightly on the sides. But the problem is the plants that are just under the light get a little bit too much light, and the ones that are on the side don't have enough. So I tried to angle the light just to have this cone of light kind of touching the most tall plants, but that was not great. My Nepenthes gymnanthora is clearly vining and it actually reached the maximum height it can go. So I will have to find a way to, I don't know, bend it on the side and to provide him enough light because for now, no bulb or sun light it. And, oh, look at that, hidden on the leaves. Okay, let me try to get closer. Yeah, that's okay, too much leaves here. Okay, that's Mirabilis, the Mirabilis that was not picturing since spring. It's giving me a surprise hidden on the leaves, but even this one is vining, so I really need all these vining plants to get enough light now. And I also have the Maxima talagensis that is also starting to vine. And this is a kind of an intermediate picture of the gymnanthora. So all these plants are starting to vine or are vining. That's why they have to go there. I have plenty of space and I will attach them on the top and that should be great. Okay, let's see what Santa gave me this year. A beautiful red box. Cool. Okay, so that's a special unboxing this time. Christmas present. Thank you, Santa. And yeah. So Sansi Grow Light, I love this brand. I already talked about the bulbs I have that are working great. Now that's kind of the next step, a better light, stronger light. So, okay, nice. Well, and there is the guide. I will scan that and you will have that on screen. Don't hesitate to pause if you want to read everything. And the back now, okay. So here is the back. Again, pause and read if you want. Okay, so now let's jump directly to the best part, the light. Okay, it's empty. So here is the new light. Looks great. And that's, yeah. So it looks sturdy, like well made. This is the way you will attach it. Let's see what is inside. Okay, there is two parts. There is one part for attaching, and then the second way you can attach it. I'll show you that later. But first, we will directly see the light. Okay. Okay, you will see better if I get rid of the paper behind. Okay, so you see how transparent it is? It's basically totally empty inside, totally hollow. That's why it's not eating and there is no fan. It's just literally empty, and all the air go out and we can angle it, so that's perfect. Okay, I can fix that almost everywhere, I mean. And this one is probably to hang it, so that's great. Yeah, totally hollow. Impressive. And if you want to check that, you can pause. Yeah, very impressive. Look at that. I can see my hand. Okay. Oh, and here we have some protection against the humidity. Look. So that's supposed to be waterproof, or at least resist humidity, so that's good. Okay, let's see how we attach that here. It's really easy. There is not a lot of things to think or to take care of. Okay, let me open that. Okay. So the two ends, obviously, you want the flat one, and you just unscrew it and screw it back. So it's like very easy. I don't see how we could have easier than that. And then we attach that where we want. But there is a second part to attach. This is the first one. So that's very strong. So clearly it will hold the wall light with no problem. You can adjust the height. So just pull it and then it's really blocked. The only way to release would be pushing this piece. And then you can pull. Okay. So pretty easy and strong. And the other parts, okay. Yeah. Okay, that's here. That's basically what you will use to attach that around something else. I will show you the picture on the guide. It will be easier. But first, let's have a look. So it's really easy. You would just pass this cable in the one hole and then the second one, and then you tight everything. Pretty easy. So now let's look at the size. It's not big. It's pretty good. I was searching for something economical with good power. So that's great. The full spectrum. Again, you can pause and check what you want. So what I like about this one is it's powerful. So that means I can be far away and still blast enough light for the Nepenthes because they are not cactus. They don't need a lot of light. Since all the Nepenthes and the tendril were nested within each other, I needed some help. So I had some help, my daughter, and yeah, it was kind of long. It took way more time than expected. But after at least an hour or something, it was done. Okay, let's pause a little bit. For now, I have access to parts of the plants that are easy. So this one, obviously, I will attach it. They are kind of all attached together. But the gymnanthera gave me a basil. So that's very cool. And the other one here, it's not Gymnanthora, that's the Maxima talegensis here. But the vine stopped picturing because it produced a lot of, not basil this time, that's the side, okay, out, yeah. You have there 2 side shoots. So from the vine directly, not basil shoot this time. And this is the Mirabilis. I can't believe that it didn't picture for 6 months and now it's so big and it looks properly formed, so that's very cool. That's just the intermediate Gymnanthora picture, I would say. Yeah, and all these are attached together, and I can't wait to see all this jungle properly attached and growing. So that's going to be cool. So now we have the one that starts to vine. Let's have a look. Here we have another basil. That's the Gaia. Looks great, looks happy. It won't start vining soon, but still, I would show you a picture. Okay, not this one. Okay, Gaia is the small one behind here. And this is the bouquet, you know it. This is the one that will start to vine pretty soon, before the end of the year. And this is the Minima. Not vining yet, clearly. It's still tiny, but it clearly like to be in the shadow of the bouquet, so I will keep it like that. So now let's see the full windowsill when everything is set up. So the vining on the right, and at the very left you have the regular carnivorous plants. So for the grow light now, I attached the new light, the 70 watt, just on the top, angled like 45 degrees, just to blast light on the vining one. And we'll have a better look. Okay, first let's check the bulb. The other 2 bulbs, they are just, again, lighting what is under them, so they will light the whole windowsill this time. So the new light is like 4 feet away from the plants, just to give you an idea. So here it is. Looks great. I like the look. Yeah, so how do we attach that? I will show you. Okay, focus please. Okay, and then because there is a second way of attaching it, I did like a backup plan. If the first one failed, this one won't. So it's like attached 2 times. And I just hide all this messy cable using just Spanish moss because I have no power here. I had to put an extension cord and then to plug like 3 lights on it. So for now, I hope it will grow and cover all this. It's not great, but that's the best I can do for now. And this one, I will have to attach it, really to force it to stay on this bar. The lights are installed now. Everything is great, really bright. Wow, that's a powerful light. So the plants should be very happy until the very top. It's bright, so that's perfect. At the beginning, I said that I had a code, a discount code. So it will appear on the screen. It's 15% off. So on the website, on the Sansi Grow Light website. So I will put the code and the links on the description for you. Keep in mind that it's affiliate links. So that means if you buy something, it will help the channel because I will get a few cents out of it. So in advance, thank you. And don't hesitate to ask if you have any question. And if you use this light, I would be interested to know what do you think about it. For me, I just installed it, but I already kind of enjoy it. Maybe I will lay here just to have some tan during winter. So until next time, happy growing.